Okay, here we go. bobb613's is going to try a box of Triple Threads baseball. Thank you very much, Bob. Good luck. Let's do this. Who are you hoping for, Bob? What are we looking for in here? An all-star patch. All right. Nice. Well, that one's kind of thick. Good luck. Got something thick on the back of this one. Mike Piazza to 125. Adrian Gonzalez to 325. Your base cards are Sandy Koufax, Michiro Tanaka, Eddie Matthews. Your autograph is Travis D'Arnaud to 75. You got a thick card. I don't know if it's a patch. Hot corner jersey, bat jersey. David Freese, Pablo Sandoval, and Chase Headley. 9 of 9 on that one. Hot corner. It's a cool card. Oh, you did it! No all-star for you, but you got a 101. You got the white whale. Oh, God, you got the stud pack. 101 Willie Mays. You're getting 2 101s out of this pack, my friend. Willie Mays, 1 of 1. Cal Ripken Jr. to 250. Fujikiwa to 27. Pinstripe. Jackie Robinson, Jose Abreu, Greg Maddux, and oh my God. Oh wow. Oh, Henry. 1 of 1 Hank Aaron. Wow. Willie Mays 101, Hank Aaron 101. That's how you do it right there. Bam. It's the second Hank Aaron 101 I've pulled out of this. Boom, there you go, brother. bobb613, thank you very much.